The best part about cold weather is hot cocoa, so today we're making hot cocoa cupcakes. I'm using Baker's Request Devil's Food Cake Mix. These cupcakes have been baked in a conventional cupcake pan using 1.5 ounces of prepared cake mix. Our Baker's Request Devil's Food Cake Mix has a rich chocolate flavor and it's easy to use. Just add oil and water. We'll be topping these today with whipped topping. I'm starting first with our chocolate velvet top. It's light and airy and not too sweet. I'm going to pipe 2 circles around the top of the cupcake using a straight tip. After that, we'll switch to our vanilla velvet top. This really makes it feel like hot cocoa. We'll do a few more swirls of that and finally top with marshmallows. At the end, we'll shake with a little sifted cocoa powder, and here you have it, hot cocoa cupcakes. For more winter inspiration, join us at dawnfoods.com.